the next question, for example, if I would like to edit something in my tenants, for example, enable or disable something, I need to know what's just inside my tenants. So the really good idea is just to that we can do it. The same call as put, I can get for tenants ID offering items, and just provide addition value to receive only specific editions. As well, you can provide star and you receive values for all editions. If you don't provide anything, you just receive answers only for standard editions. So which might be confusing. And as well, as soon as you receive it, you can update it. For example, you can update quotas, you can enable disable offering items using status, and we will look into it. And as well, in this case, you need just to provide only offering items you want to change. And all stuff which you don't want to change, you don't need to provide. So, for example, if you want to enable disable offering items, you just ask for offering items, use your business logic like search for application ID, info ID, usage name, and change offering item or status for specific offering items, 0 for disable and 1 for enable. And then just only modified offering items, put into the JSON array this offering items root element and put it. That's all. Two important nodes. Only one storage items for customer tenant, and we saw it in my demo, which is perfect. And offering items cannot be disabled or enabled for personal tenant. You can set quota, but can't enable disable specific offering items. Okay, let's look how it works. But before we, let's look how it works. So I have it, let's say, call get offering items for customer tenant. For edition, in this site, it's a, cyber protect editions. Remember, for customer tenant, and I ask it. So I have this answer. You see that I have, as soon as I firstly provision it, I have this for standard edition, I receive a list of possible stuff for this customer, but with 0 status, which is a disabled for this customer. And if I try to enable 1, for example, this edition, nothing happened. But there are old way to switch editions for a customer tenant, which intend to use this specific stuff. So of course, and we will discuss it. So, but in our case, we remember that our edition is per workload. And just ask to use it. And as you can see, I have this list. And remember, I have all enabled. So let's just search, for example, for workstation. And in this case, it's per essential workstation. Let's select it. Just copy and move to the same call, set offering items. So put to the offering items and just remove all this stuff. So, I just want to put offering items, which is essential workstation. So it's per workload, protect, essential. And I just change status to 0. Before I do this call, let's move to the my customer and to check what we have. So what I want to try to change. So you see these workstations, Cyber Protect Essentials, workstations enabled. Just cancel it and try to call this stuff. I have it disabled, so send. As a result, I received answer that okay, and the same offering items with 0, and as you can see, very important, quota just removed from disabled offering items. So let's look here, just refresh. And as you can see, it is not here, it's just disabled, but I can edit it and I can add it back. How I can do on the, how I can, let's say, totally disable it from a customer level. I can disable it, I can have it disabled on partner level. In reality, I would create, in real situation, I would create folders for custom, configurations. And in these folders, I just customize it to have all the possible stuff on partners levels. In this my demo, in next demo, I will just disable it on partner level to show you how it works. So now you can have it here. I just go, and it's very simple. Application ID is the same, variable load the same, and status the same. So I just can copy this stuff and go to the set offering items to partner tenant, just cut and paste it and send. You can see here partner tenant, I disabled it for partner tenant. Okay, in real case, partner, folder, customer, disable on folder level. Just, you know, the same. Return to our flow and just refresh. Very little. And now, even if I try edit, I don't have it here. And this partner folder customer hierarchy helps me to build customized proposition, packed proposition, differentiate proposition, or just, you know, have some possibility to customize as I want to do it. As well, if I just return to the customer level, to partner level, I can, I can turn it back, because here it's just, you know, enable, disable stuff. So here we are, I can enable it back. Quite clear, simple examples. You can build very sophisticated hierarchy. You can play with enable, disable things for offering items. And it is what, and remember when I mentioned this possibility to create templates. So now you know, you understand how you can create these templates to create provisioning system, which can be provisioned in one script, because you know how you want to provision. You just have to script your logic, you create your JSON provisioning scripts and can provision it using template, or easy just apply logic using just ask for available offering items, apply your logic, provision. Both approach work. You can select anything you want from that. Okay, so now you know how to provision tenants with offering items and services. You know how to filter out specific services during initial provisioning. As well, I believe you understand that you can disable offering items on a level of on the level of partner, to have as well this disabled on customer level without possibility to enable, and just can disable on customer level by default to show you them before they can edit. But if you put this in read-only mode, remember you can lock tenant. Customer can't deal with this, and just, you know, as well as the option how you can customize it.